In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media icons to your Shopify store. This is an essential step for enhancing the online presence of your business and making it easier for your customers to connect with you through various platforms. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your store, so it's important to be familiar with this interface. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Online Store section on the left-hand side of the screen. Clicking on this will open up a drop-down menu, where you should select Themes. This is where you can customize the look and feel of your store. Next, find the theme you are currently using and click on the Customize button. You'll be taken to the theme editor, which allows you to make changes to your store's design in real time. Here, you'll see different sections of your homepage that can be edited, typically on the sidebar. You might want to look for the Footer or Theme Settings options, as these are commonly where social media settings are located. Within the settings, you should find a section specifically for social media. Click on it, and you will see fields where you can enter the URLs of your social media profiles. Make sure you have your social media links handy for platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, or any other profile you want to include. Enter your URLs into the corresponding fields. Be mindful to copy the entire URL to ensure that links work correctly when clicked. Once you've done that, check for any options related to how these icons will appear, such as size, shape, or color. Some themes provide customization options, allowing you to tailor the icons to fit the design of your store seamlessly. Choose options that complement your branding and maintain a consistent look throughout your site. After entering your URLs and adjusting any settings, it's always a great idea to preview your store to see the changes. Look for the Save button, usually at the top right corner of the editor, and click it to apply your changes. Then, click on Preview to open your store in a new tab. Scroll to the section where your social media icons should appear, typically in the footer or header. Click on each icon to ensure they're correctly linked and functioning properly. If everything appears as expected, congratulations! You've successfully added social media icons to your Shopify store. This small adjustment can make a big difference in connecting with your customers and expanding your brand's reach. If something doesn't look right or you're having trouble, check back through your settings, ensuring all URLs are correct and the settings match your design expectations. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing!